Okay, this is your blockchain assignment. I'm going to give you a preview of how it works. It says, order the hashes given in order from initial through final. There's going to be an initial hash. You got to put them all in order, okay? I recommend you using the hashlib module, which I do give you an example of how to do. And there's the exact commands you need. Refer to the practice in demo for more information. Now I'm just going to show you a preview of what your assignment will look like. Say maximum, blah, 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 right here. Use these following 5 hashes. Match the hashes with the correct hash start in the chain that produces the following chain. Okay? So, which order of these here produce this? Okay? See what I'm asking? So in here, you're going to pick one. Which one's which? Okay? Only one of these is right. Okay? Like say the final's this one, and say hash 5 is this one, and hash 4 is this one, and hash 3 is this one, and hash 2 is... See what I'm doing? So you got to come up with the initial hash, and yeah, initial hash for it, and then each subsequent hash to produce the final hash. They're only going to work one way. Okay? Now I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to show you something else. Just put them in order is all you got to do. That's the hard part. Well, how do I get out of this? I don't know how to get out of it. Where is the... Oh, there it is right there. That one. Okay. Let me go back to the module. I'm going to show you a Python program here. Now, the practice is just like one. It's real easy. But I gave you this file. Let's see if I can't make it a little bit bigger. Here's an example. This actually will work, by the way. So what I did was, can I make this full screen? Ah, much better. Now can I make that go away so I can zoom in? Come on. Seriously. Okay, so import hashlib. This actual Python script will run. So you can download it and play with it. Okay, so here's a string called, this is my first hash, second hash, third hash, so on and so forth. I run it through SHA-256, produce the hashes. Then I print them out on the screen just so you can see what they are. Then I create a bit chain. Then I print it out. My initial chain is, okay? And then I update it all. And what ends up happening is I update the chain. Then I add, you'll notice it right here. So this was my initial one because I took the digest and converted it to uppercase. Then I'm updating the chain by adding hash 1. Right there, I can't highlight it. I'm adding that. Then I update the chain. So what I did was, again, I added that. Then I updated the chain. Then I printed out the new chain. Then I added this. I added hash 2. I updated the digest, and then I printed out the new chain, and so on and so forth. Okay. Then when you're done, it prints out the final chain. Your problem, your task, if you choose to accept it. So if there's 5 hashes. An initial and a final. I give you the final. You just got to tell me what order the other ones go in. What order they go in to produce the final. That's all you got to do. So of those 5 hashes, there's actually 6, including. There's initial, 5 hashes, and then a final. I give you the final. You have to figure out what order they go in. You literally could use this program to literally just do them one at a time if you like. Or you could write a little teeny loop, about 2 lines of code, and finish the whole thing in like 20 minutes. So, everybody understand what the assignment is? It's pretty simple to do, and I need to make it harder next semester, but I haven't yet, because I will tell you that last semester, every single person got 100 on it. So with that, hopefully you are so confident now, you're going to wait till the very last second and not finish in time. What do you think? Do you like that plan? No. Nah. Has anyone done it yet? I haven't looked. Now, it's actually quite simple. Play with this. Run this exact script like I gave it to you. And by running this exact script, we'll already answer one question for you. So, all right, make sense? Pretty simple to do. Yeah, and there's the actual Python script. See, I can't run it here because I don't have hashlib installed. But so, actually, maybe I do. Hold on. Maybe I do. I'm going to try this real quick. Yep, you got 2. let's see if I can run this. Come on. I know we're over time. That's good. It did run. Look at that. There it ran perfectly. There's my hash 1, hash 2, hash 3, hash 4, hash 5. So there's my initial chain. Then I added it. There's my updated chain. I'm updating again, and all the way down until the final chain. There's 170 different versions of this assignment. So technically, y'all could get the same assignment. Probably not, but you might. So, did anyone see what the answer is to one of your questions already?
I was wondering where we were supposed to get the initial chain from.
I wonder why. It might be right there. Okay, so it's really simple to do. And I said, I mean, the code works. Right? If you notice, the initial chain is really hashing nothing. See that? See up here, I'm hashing other strings. Here, what am I hashing to get the initial chain? Nothing. I'm hashing an empty initial chain. Notice how you got comments in there? So you guys might be able to figure it out. So you literally can run this command here to get the initial chain. And the initial chain will never change because it's blank.
Because you're always hashing the same thing.
We're hashing nothing. It's blank. Right. But the way you put those other ones in is what's going to change. Okay? All right, y'all are free to go. Oh, wait. Yeah. No, you're free to go.